The radiant love of the Great Mother shines within me, strong, ancient, beautiful. She lives in my bones, older than fear, older than forgetting. I feel her pulse inside, always there, through the dark soil of my body, through breath and blood and memory, through every place that once felt broken. She knows time, she knows seasons, she knows how to heal everything. And she knows me, I soften into her arms, I trust her rhythm, I remember who I am. The radiant love of the Great Mother shines within me, strong and powerful, vast as stars, and in this remembering, in this deep returning, all is well. All is well. All is well.